Ano daw yung sinabi?
Yeah, is there any Filipino dish you want to try during your food?
What Filipino food or item would you bring back to Korea?
Oh, 사실 일단 필리핀
Are you guys ready? Alright, so let's proceed with number one. So before you answer, I have to count 3, 2, 1.
오케이.
Perfect. Nakaready ko no? Alright, number one is hip hop versus pop. 3, 2, 1. Headphones versus speakers. 3, 2, 1.
스피커.
Classic neutral looks versus baggy party looks. 3, 2, 1.
클래식 뉴트럴.
Hirapan siya.
Linen fabric versus denim. 3, 2, 1.
데님.
Now, in terms of the Philippines, when you talk about the Philippines, you know, beaches versus cities. 3, 2, 1.
비치.
Okay, bakit nila lagi naman sa cellphone mo? Mahal ko kayo versus miss ko kayo. 3, 2, 1.
mahal ko kayo.
Mas papakiligin pa tayo ni Chino. Gusto niyo yun? I'm not supposed to answer it.
Love siya.